Hello, Browser Tamer users. The last version, 4.3.0, is now live. It has one single new feature, a better command line support. What we have here is a terminal integration for listing browsers, getting the default browser and setting the default browser, which is extremely useful in automation. So the first command is called browser list. And what it does is essentially lists the browsers and their profiles as it appears in Browser Tamer user interface. So the list is fairly detailed and it's very similar to what you can see in the config ini file. The next command is useful for figuring out what is your default browser set in Browser Tamer. And the command is browser get default. And what it displays is a dot-separated browser profile, which is msedge.default. The format of this output is ID of the browser dot ID of the profile. So if I scroll up to the previous output, you can see this is the ID of Microsoft Edge, and this is the ID of the default profile, which happened to be called default. You can see the same in the user interface because the default browser is marked with a little lovely green Valentine's Day heart. By the way, if you forgot about Valentine's Day, I'm afraid it's too late and you have to work really hard to get your wife's attention. So let me demonstrate setting the default browser to something else. I'll close the UI for now and say BT browser set default. I have it already in my history. So I'll type this in. And what BT does is finds the browser with this ID and this profile ID and sets it as a default. You can see that by opening the UI, and the default browser is now tool. This is in no way an encouragement that you have to get Valentine's presents on a dark web, by the way. Now, if I want to revert the default browser to my lovely Edge, I can just type this. And as you can see, the browser and profile is found and set. By the way, this won't work when user interface is open because user interface will overwrite all of the settings when closed. As you can see, we are back to Microsoft Edge. That's it. Hope you like it.